guys, I'm Seth. My channel is called Seth's Fun City. So we have Grimlock from Transformers EarthSpark. Here's Transformers EarthSpark and a picture of him in his dino form. Let's see, Autobot 6 Plus, and here's the side with the characters from the series Prime. We have this side, main character, one of the main characters. We have him in his robot form, dino form. If you have all of these, you can make this. And here's the top, and here's the bottom. Nothing, really. So now I'm gonna unbox it. Shout out to my friend Matthew in my classroom. Bye. Grimlock. Instructions. How this works. Let's see how big this thing is. It's not that big. Instructions. This is gonna take a long time. This is gonna take a long time. This is gonna take a long time. Okay, now, but that came out. Well, we have a Grimlock. Little, so I can't even get him out. At least this came out. This is supposed to go here. Okay, yeah, I got it out. Okay, let me get the weapon. Okay, ta-da! Let's see if we can stand. Ta-da! So we have Grimlock. Pew, 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 his weapon. So now we're gonna transform. Let me take that. So we have, this is how you're doing it. So now we flip it over. Well, I think we're done. Once I do this, I think we're done. We add this onto the top, and we're done with it. Done. So we have Grimlock. So we officially made it after a long time. So this is Grimlock when he's in his dinosaur mode. So here's the side. Kind of failed, but I tried. other side, front, tail. So we officially made it. So like and subscribe to Says Fun City and hit that notification bell. Bye!